Mindworks meditation courses are specially designed to transmit effective meditation practices in a clear and accessible way for people of all levels, from beginners to seasoned meditators. Each carefully curated course offers 30 or more rich teachings presented in a progressive, easy-to-follow course format. Courses are organized into topics ranging from learning to meditate, working with challenges such as stress and addiction, to the 9-level Mindworks journey to personal transformation. Each course includes daily guided meditations.
Feel your body. Feel that you have this intention to be mindful.
Mind Talk videos.
And we never take care of our mind. But our mind is what is going to stay with us all along.
Articles, contemplations, reviews, and more. Each topic is presented by several members of our international team of awesome mind trainers. Each teacher shares their own understanding and perspective, which creates inspiration and sparks genuine insight. The Mindworks difference is that our programs seamlessly integrate all of these teaching methods in a dynamic package that make it easy to put theory into practice and make your practice successful.
It's exciting, I'm into this, I like it.
Oh, you were meditating.
It's like we're living at the moment behind blocks of ice. The thing about ice, it can be melted. So what's going to melt it? It's love. Love is the melter.
The courses are easy to follow. Here's a typical course lesson screen. The left-hand navigation shows you where you are in the course, which is organized into one lesson per day, with each lesson having multiple topics. With each Mindworks course, you complete one lesson per day. If you have to miss a day, no problem. The course will automatically remember where you left off. Take the course while sitting upright in a good meditative posture. If you're using a desktop, tablet, or laptop, you can sit where you are. Just take good posture and follow the course. The system works great on any phone or mobile device, so you can take the course anytime, anywhere. Mindworks courses are designed to help you achieve consistency and depth in your meditation, so you can carry your practice and its benefits into your life. Tired of dabbling in meditation light? Join us on a real journey of meditation for real results.